Don't be fooled, this is not butter. It's actually margarine. It's an ultra-processed product and it's terrible for your health. Margarine is a highly processed food that was invented as a substitute for butter and supposedly heart-healthy alternative. We now know this is absolute BS. Margarine is a highly processed frankenfood made from seed and vegetable oils, emulsifiers, colorants, and added vitamins and other nasty ingredients. It's full of inflammatory trans fats we now know are the real driver of heart disease, not the saturated fat found in real butter. Real butter like this one is delicious and nutritious and churned milk. It's naturally rich in vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin D, vitamin K2, calcium, selenium, and heart-healthy omega-3 and saturated fats. It's also very low in lactose, so if you're lactose intolerant, it shouldn't cause any problems. The quality of butter matters. Grass-fed cows produce healthier butter, so try to choose organic or grass-fed when you can and avoid spreadable butter as it's cut with seed oils to make it soft. Make sure you're following me for more nutrition tips and life hacks.